Have you noticed that the water level in your toilet bowl is either too high or too low and you're trying to figure out how to adjust that? Well, in this video, I will walk you through 2 easy steps that you can follow to fix this problem. Let's get right to it. Your first step is going to depend on the type of fill valve that you have. Most commonly, you're going to see a fill valve that has an adjustment like this, where there's just a little plus sign at the top, and you can put a Phillips head screwdriver in here and turn it to the right if you want the fill valve to put more water in your bowl, or to the left if you want it to put less in your bowl. It's controlled by the height of the float on the fill valve itself. The more water you put into your tank, the more water it's going to put into your bowl. Some of your newer fill valves, like the one that I just put in this toilet, have 2 different controls. One helps to control the water level in your tank. The second helps to control the water level in your bowl. The bowl adjustment has a simple plus and minus right at the top. You turn it to the plus if you want more water in your bowl, you turn it to the minus if you want less in your bowl. Pretty self-explanatory. Once you make that adjustment, you move on to step 2, and that is to flush the dang toilet and see how much water ends up in your bowl. Adjust it to the point that you need it to be, and then let her rip. Not quite literally, although I guess you will, but you get my point. Now that you've been able to adjust the water in your bowl, you might be wondering, how do you deal with issues with your fill valve or your drain, your flapper, in the tank? And for more information on those 2 issues, click or tap on one of these 2 videos. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.